How to make text glow in Capcut. So go ahead and open your Capcut application. Click on the Create New Project, and here just choose a video where you will add your glowing text. After choosing the clip, click on Add on the bottom right part. In here, make sure that you're not selecting the video, and then click on Text. Tap on Add Text icon. It's the first icon in here, and then type in your desired words. Once that's done, click on the text. Now click on the word font and just choose any style that you want. After typing all the text that you need, we will now export this video. After exporting, make another project and import here the video that we made a while ago. Click on Effects and then slide through all the categories on Effects until you reach the Nature option. What you would want to select in here is the effect called Luminance. So in case it is not available in your Nature tab, just find it on the other categories. Now, once you find the luminance, just tap on it again to adjust its additional settings like its intensity and rotation. Just edit this based on your liking, and once you're done, click on Export, and there you have it. That is how to make text glow in Capcut. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.